Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, I will show you how to change list name in Google Maps. This is very simple and easy. So let's start. First, open Google Maps on your phone and then tap on you to find the list. See here, all of list is here. If you want to change this list's name, then tap on this. Then tap on edit list. See here, this is the list name. Now we type a new name. Now after typing the new name, then tap on save. See here, the new name is changed. That's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you enjoyed this, please like this and also as well as subscribe our channel for more interesting tech videos like this. Thank you.